Hey guys, it's Katelyn, and this week's truth on TruthPlusDare is: have you ever been on an airplane? I have 4 times, but it was like the same trip. I went to New Orleans this year, and it was the first time I ever went on a plane, and I was terrified. It was my biggest fear in the whole wide world, and I conquered it by getting on the plane. I freaked out, I cried, had a panic attack, but I survived, and it wasn't that bad. I still am a little scared that the plane could crash or something when I'm on it, but I'm not afraid to go up, down, or like it doesn't hurt my stomach. I thought it would, and my ears didn't pop, so that's good. So, and the dare this week is to go out in public and pretend you're an airplane. So yeah, let's whoosh out of here. Is that a plane? What do I do?
Well, you gotta make the noises.
There's no noise. It's silent. No? Okay.
There, that's all you get. Wait.
You do the sound effect.
You gotta make noises now. Okay.
You did it. Oh, that's how they land. You get it really fast. They're slow. When they land, they go fast. When they land, planes.
Why would they do that?
They just go really fast.
Why?
They did. They didn't slow down enough when we were on the plane.
Katelyn, that's not how that works. I can assure you they slow down. It just doesn't feel like it. We have a crash here.
That scared me. I almost fell. That was real. I really almost fell. Let me watch that. I almost prepare for takeoff. Ding, ding, ding. Is that was a noise? Yeah. Get off of me. My head. I didn't see you have a video of me. Let's recreate the first time I've ever been on a plane. Ready?
Pretty much. Where are all the tears?
In my heart.
There's not enough tears.
Why'd I come on this trip? Why'd I come on this trip? I should have stayed home. I shouldn't have came on this trip.
But just wet face.
Just and then Justin's
boogers.
like rubbing. Is it boogers?
No.
Rub my arm. Take care of me. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video and comment down below. Have you ever been on an airplane? And if you have been on an airplane, like, were you afraid for the first time? Or if you haven't, are you like scared like I was? I was definitely afraid. So like, if you have a fear of it, it's not as bad as you think. Like the taking off and landing, it's not really bad at all. And turbulence isn't even that bad. It's just the sounds kind of scare you. So like, I recommend if you're going on a plane to have headphones so you can't really hear the noises of the air, because it kind of is a little creepy. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys. Oh, make sure you subscribe to TruthPlusDare and to my main channel, 12katelyn1. You can follow me on Instagram at 12katelyn1. And yeah, follow TruthPlusDare at TruthPlusDare. And I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.